Yes, hello. Over 70% of Uganda's population lives in areas with unreliable or no internet connectivity. So that means every cloud dependent AI tool, no matter how powerful, is completely inaccessible to the communities that need it the most. So that means that there arises two critical gaps that coexist in the same households and villages. So the first one is the healthcare gap, whereby community health workers make triage decisions without specialist support. So patients in rural, remote areas have no reliable way to access medical guidance. The second gap is the education gap, whereby the teacher to student ratios exceed 1 to 80 in many rural schools. Students have no personalized learning support and no resources for self-study. So that's where KnowCare comes into play. So it's a fully offline, mobile first AI assistant powered by Gemma 4, operating entirely on device through two purpose-built intelligent agents. The first agent is the health agent. This agent is a clinical support designed for community health workers, providing evidence-based symptom guidance, identify cases that require urgent medical attention. So as you can see, currently we have a test question about cancer from the retrieved health guidelines, trying to ground the response with zero hallucination. Wow, you can see that LM has provided a source where it has grounded the response, so thereby reducing the risk of hallucination. So the next agent is the tutor agent that delivers personalized adaptive learning support for students and self-learners. This one explains scaffolds understanding to the learner's level and answers curriculum questions entirely offline. So as we can see now, we have uploaded an image that contains a certain question. So as you can see properly that the AI with the multimodal input, it has managed to detect the question inside the image, and now it's responding to that question. The question was about what is a cavity magnetron. Wow. So the question has been well answered. Now the agent is trying to test our understanding. So we're going to test another input, that of audio input, as the wolf trying to respond to the agent. And as you can see, the audio is in being analyzed and processed to determine what we're trying to talk about. Okay, to me, I think a cavity magnetron is applied in radar systems and microwave ovens. Wow, great. So I can see that the audio has been detected. So what we're asking in the audio is that we're trying to respond to the agent. Okay, that to me, I think a cavity magnetron is applied in radar systems and microwave ovens. And microwave ovens. Wow, so now we can check in the chat history and then go start a new chat. This new chat now is about mathematics. So we can now request the agent to teach us about a certain mathematics topics like Pythagoras theorem, to see whether it can help a rural student who has limited access to the teacher learn these concepts at their convenience on their low budget phones, fully offline with no internet barriers. As we can see, the agent has clearly interpreted the question, and now it's starting to respond to us, trying to take us through what the theorem is all about, generating equations and formulae all in one response for the clarity and proper guidance of the student. Wow, so fully the agent has finalized. Now it's trying to test our understanding of the theorem. Great. So as you can see in the chat history, everything is toward that no data leaves the device. And for managing models, you can go and download any model at your convenience when you get back to internet. The download is once and the model runs forever without no more costs. Thank you very much. So the RAG mode can be turned on and off at your convenience.